Varuna Mudra of water. Method. Tip of little finger touches the tip of thumb, with the other 3 fingers stretched out. Specialty: it balances the water content and prevents all diseases which come due to lack of water. Time duration: it has no specific time duration and one can practice it according to their time. Benefits: it retains clarity in blood by balancing water content in the body, prevents the pains of gastroenteritis and muscle shrinkage,